So you want to put two colors together, but every other method you've tried so far is unreliable at best. Give this one a try. Take and make sure that you have about 4 inches of play on each side of the yarn that you want to draw together. Then you're going to make a bit of a candy cane effect by twisting them together like so. Okay. Maybe about 3 times. Then you're going to simply tie it together, but don't knot it too tightly. Okay, like so. Then what you're going to do is take your 2 pieces of yarn and pull them like so. Nice and snug, and it's not going anywhere. Not ever. And then what you do is you just take your scissors and you're going to give it a nice little trim. And then you're good to go. You're ready to move on with your next piece of the project. Happy crocheting, friends!